Okay. Then after my classes, I'll sit down and check them.
Okay. Okay. Today's session is to discuss the doubts. So, okay, let me know the doubt to you in your assignment.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Doubt.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, in question number 26.
Question number 26. Which assignment?
Sir, triangles.
Just question 26. So he's saying two poles of height. There is one pole, there is another pole.
Show me your desk where your books and copies are.
This is AB and the length is 4 meters.
I'm more interested in seeing you and
This is CD and the length is 6 meters. And there is a point
yes,
E.
look at Senate that way. How you write your exams. Right, fine. I should know that you're writing something.
The height is H meters. This complete is 12. So if I will take it as a X, this is 12 minus X. So this is FB. So I want to find the two poles of height, this the part, the height of H of the point of intersection of the line joining the top and the half. So you have to find out the value of H. So if I will go with the triangle ABD, ABD and triangle FBD. Both the triangles are similar because all are at the foot of the perpendicular and they are at meet at the angle of 90. So,
yes.
Okay, so what it means, H upon AB. H is the side of the smaller triangle. AB is the side of the bigger triangle, which is equal to H upon AB, which is equal to BD is the height of the smaller triangle. This is BD upon ABE. This is E. This is E. ED upon BD. So ED upon BD. So this is H upon the value of AB is 4. The value of EB is 12 minus X, and the value of BD, this is given 12. So 4 is to 3. From here, I will get 3H is equal to 12 minus X. Let it be number 1. Now I'm going to the other side. In triangle BCD and triangle BFE.
Right? That's the central idea of this topic.
This is
when you study poems, you always
FE upon CD is equal to FE upon CD. This is equal to BE upon BD.
So the topic is about removing
FE, this is H upon CD, it is 6. BE, this is X, this is 12 minus X. So the value of 12 minus X, this is 3H. So I can substitute the value of X.
such as
from here,
So firstly, we have the efforts.
x is equal to 12 minus 3h. So this is h over 6 is equal to 12 minus 3h upon 12 minus 12 plus 3h. So wherever there is x, I have substituted 12 minus 3h. So 12 minus of 12 plus 3h. So it goes h upon 6 is equal to 12 minus 3h upon 3h. So it will go, this is 3:2, 6. So this is h square is equal to twice of 12 minus 3h. So this is h square is equal to 24 minus 6h. So this is h square plus 6h minus 24 equal to 0. So do the factors and get the answer. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I can write it as a in the form of a factor. Hanji Mohit, what do you want?
Sir, I was having a doubt in one question.
Ore beta, ye to khatam ho lene do. So I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Okay. Now the next doubt. नेक्स्ट डाउट किसका भी है, बताओ बेटा, कौन सी असाइनमेंट में कौन सा क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. चलिए, come to question number 9 of triangle. Have you noted? Can I clear it?
Have you written up till here?
Yes, sir.
Great. Question number 9.
Please be quick. You have to write the reasons.
The perimeter of the two similar triangles ABC and LMN are 60 and 48.
Weakening of the caste system.
Now see, there is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle LMN.
So there will be a set of reasons that will come into the topic.
The perimeter of this triangle is 60 and the perimeter of this triangle is 48. Okay, if Mn is equal to 12, this is 12. I want to get the value of BC. This is X. तो किसी और ने जिसने ट्राई किया हो वो कोई हेल्प करना चाहे? Anybody who want to help, because I want to get this side and this side is given to me. This is given. Perimeter is also given. Sum of the three sides of the triangle, and it is also given that the triangles are similar to each other. So similar to each other means if I will take this side as a P, this side must be K is to P. That means the ratio of the two sides must be equal. If this side is K, X, so this side must be is equal to K is to X. If this side is Q, this side must be is equal to K is to Q. I hope this is clear. So now the perimeter of this is P plus X plus Q. How much this is? 60. And the perimeter of this is KP plus 12 plus KQ is equal to 48. So from here, if I will take K as an outside, this is P plus Q, this is equal to 48 minus 12. So which is equal to 6, 36. So K is equal to P plus Q, K is to P plus Q is equal to 36. So the value of P plus Q from here, if I will go with this, I want to get the value of X. So X must be is equal to 60 minus P plus Q. So which is equal to 60 minus 30, this is 36 over K. The value of X is 60 minus 36 over K. Clear? So अब रहेगी मेरे पास क्या बात कि I want to get the value of K. अगर मेरे पास K की वैल्यू आ जाती है तो from there I can get the answer. ठीक है, तो अब आप अपना अपना दिमाग लगाइए कि how I will get the things.
prejudice in their lives. So, okay, so some of the social reformers we have been discussing.
हाँ जी।
Caste inequalities.
अपने अपने input दीजिए भी।
In the context of improving the lives of women. And then as well as the efforts of some reform groups, what we call as
हाँ जी।
organizations, the darkness and the Marangas and these references into as women we are discussing efforts made to improve the lives of women. So we are starting with the same question, so towards eradicating or ending caste inequalities. Now, since we know that
फिर इसका एक शॉर्टकट भी बताऊंगा उसके बाद।
the प्रार्थना समाज, परमात्मा समाज,
Right, 24.
हाँ जी।
so if you ask about the efforts of
24.
No, 24 is
towards
sir, not at all.
removal of caste inequalities, then what will you write? What will Raja Ramgopal write?
चलिए अब सबसे पहले देखिए एक आपके पास रिजल्ट है, क्या रिजल्ट है? द रेशियो ऑफ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द टू ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स। मैं लिख रहा हूं, नोट करिए, रेशियो ऑफ पेरीमीटर of two triangles
That was critical of us,
is equal to
right? Because Lord Buddha for the first time in the
Ratio of
ancient India, he spoke about
their corresponding sides.
that existed in the society.
ये तब है जब ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है. If the triangles are not similar, then this theorem will not apply. Clear? So अब देखिए, perimeter of one triangle upon perimeter of other triangle. This is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. So this is equal to 4. This is equal to 15. So the value of X, this is 15. That means D option is correct.
So that people can read that they know that even the Buddha does not support the caste system.
D option is correct.
So now if you go back into history again, that was ancient India, Lord Abraham. But when you go to medical India, you find the beginning of the Bhakti movement.
क्लियर? इसको फिर रहने दो, इसको डिटेल्ड में स्किप कर जाओ, इसको रहने दो. Go with the result only. Ratio of the perimeter of the two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. That means perimeter of triangle ABC upon perimeter of triangle LMN, which is equal to BC upon MN, which is equal to AB upon LM, which is equal to AC upon LN. I hope this is clear. Next problem. अच्छा, one more question of Mohit is there. वो भी मैं लेता हूँ. He has sent by chat. No issue. ये नोट कर लीजिए, then I'll go there.
Yes, done.
So when we offer something to pay, not to follow the qualities, naturally it is going to have more. Now, what did we do? How did we try to set a personal example? So they met secretly, violated caste patterns.
They're done.
Okay, चलो, come to the next one. Okay. The question is, if the radius of the circle is decreased by 10%, then the area is diminished by. Okay. जरा ध्यान से देखो. Let the radius of the circle be, let it be x. Now it is decreased by 10%. New radius. This is equal to 90% of x, which is equal to 9x over this. This is the new radius. Now decrease.
Now, for this paragraph, write down one more question.
Original minus this.
Social reformers. The way we discussed, I hope you can answer that. What did Raja Ram do? What did
This is the decrease.
what did the Paramhansa do? Another small question that we can write down
Now percentage decrease.
will be about
Area is,
social reformers.
original area is this.
Why
New area is
caste restrictions? So caste taboos. What are these caste taboos? Upper caste are not supposed to sit down and eat with lower caste people.
decrease in area.
Shallow lower caste person. Yeah, you cannot draw water from the same well. You cannot enter the same temple and pray together.
Original
Now,
area
there are some of the taboos which
minus
are hard to break, like,
area which
for
comes
example,
afterwards.
attending, religious ceremony together.
So you can take
or
pi
going to
outside.
festival.
X square minus
81
81 x square upon 100. Pi. This is 100 x square minus 81 x square
So that is what I think we started with.
upon 100. So this is pi 19 x square upon 100. This is decrease in area. So percentage decrease. Decrease in area. Upon original area is 200. So pi goes with this. X square goes with this. So 100 goes with this. So this is 19%. I hope this is clear. I think this is of Mohit's problem.
Yes, sir.
Great. Anybody else has any problem in? I have given you the assignments from 5 chapters, and answer key is also posted on the WhatsApp group. So after doing the assignment, just calculate your marks and send it to me. Okay, how much you get, and जो भी अभी तक की problems हैं वो मेरे से discuss करो. Tomorrow again I have an online session where I will take the doubts of that maths paper.
Question number 3.
हाँ जी. Any else? Any other question?
The question number
Question number 3 कौन सी assignment? हाँ जी.
the triangle.
Triangle question number 3. अच्छा ये नोट कर लीजिए. Note it down.
So they question the injustices of the caste social order. Manu, please read the second paragraph. Yeah, there were also others.
Noted.
Actually, question number 3.
Missionaries.
Triangle.
Equate
He's saying this is a triangle with us. This is PQR. Now he's saying EF is parallel to QR.
Discuss some measures made by
PE is equal to 4 EQ is equal to 4.5 FR. This is 9. I want to get the length of PR. ये complete length. So before calculating the length of PR, let me find out the length of PF. Let the length of PF be X.
So we don't have much information.
So because EF is parallel to QR, what it means? 4 upon 4.5, which is equal to X upon 9. So which implies X is equal to 36 upon 4.5, which is equal to 36 is to 10 upon 45. Which implies X is equal to 8. Now see, if X is 8, I want to get the PR. So PR किसके बराबर हुआ बेटा? PR is equal to PF plus FR. So which is equal to 8 plus 9, which is equal to 17. So A option is correct.
Okay, sir.
Anything
So I was
else?
getting only A.
With academic knowledge which is going to change their life. Suddenly propel them into a very modern development world. क्या होगा यहाँ पे when these children pass out from these missionary schools, जिसको हम convent schools कहते हैं. Convents.
Mohit, one more problem Mohit has. The area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius 3 unit.
Yes, even today.
Now, this is a semicircle. Largest triangle is this, suppose. That means that one vertex should be on the semicircle, let it be A, and the rest of the two should be on the diameter. Clear? So if the radius is 3, so that means 3 plus 3, it is 6. And this is 3 and this is 3. Clear? Because, sorry, this is not 3. This is 90. Why? Because this is the angle in the semicircle. Sorry, triangle in the semicircle. So when the vertex lies on the circumference of the semicircle, it will be a right angle triangle. Like this.
In their own country, they are still not being treated equally, so they're going to take that opportunity to go out because they have nothing to lose in it.
This is again 3. Let it be 2. Now, this is 3. This is 3. Clear. And I'm going to join this O with A, or you can directly also get the area.
Yes. We know how to answer this. Some measures made by Christian.
Largest triangle is the only triangle which have all the 3, one vertex on the semicircle and rest of the 2 vertex on the end points of the diameter. Okay. So if it is a right angle triangle, so it means AB square plus AC square, this is equal to 3 plus 3, 6.
And
Whole square.
lower class. Children.
Arpit, you want to say something? कुछ मैसेज आपने भेजा है बेटा?
Please share with us.
I have sent you a pick of question.
बेटा वो ऐसे लिस्ट नहीं, आप एक एक करके बोलते जाओ, तो वो मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स जितनी भी हो सकती हैं वो आज कर लेंगे, बाकी फिर देन वी विल सॉल्व इट टुमारो और सम अदर डे. That is not the issue.
Understand the deeper thought
Okay.
in this. Till now, we
Now,
have not even accepted.
let me,
Indian society. Now, suddenly,
Solve first
passing
this.
out from a missionary
Acha.
school or missionary
So
college,
if
I'm going to be there in the Indian.
I will make it
all these interventions.
semicircle into 2 quadrants.
agreement.
this is 3,
Send these people.
this is 3, and
Working very hard there, really hard work. But then-
Mohit, has he given anything about the side AB or AC? These two sides are equal or something like that,
No, sir.
or the property of the triangle, whether it is an isosceles triangle or it is an equilateral triangle, कुछ इस तरह से कोई और?
Sir, no, sir.
क्योंकि otherwise तो only he has given us a one angle which is 90 degree. Why it is so 90 degree? Because this is a theorem, and he has given us radius. Radius means OB or OC or OA, nothing else. Clear? तो उसमें तो आपके पास यही कॉन्सेप्ट बनता है कि आप इस सेक्टर का एरिया निकाल लें. क्लियर? इस सेक्टर का, कौन से का? ओ ए बी. इस सेक्टर का एरिया निकाल के वहां से, या फिर इसको यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आल्सो. दिस इज 90 because the complete is of 180. If this is 90, you can calculate the area of triangle OAB, which is equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 is to 3 is to sine 90. Sine 90 is 1, so that is 3 is to 3, 9 by 2. So इस यही एरिया आपका दूसरा आया, तो 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. So this is equal to 9 is the answer according to me. या कोई और प्रॉपर्टी उसको देनी चाहिए? हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. हाँ जी अर्पित बोलिए जी.
Yes, sir. Sir, here is written in one figure AB parallel to BC and AC.
नहीं असाइनमेंट बोले, असाइनमेंट बोल बेटा, क्वेश्चन बोल कौन सा असाइनमेंट, कौन सी असाइनमेंट, कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
Sir, it's from my book.
नहीं बुक, या फिर बुक लिए तो आओ फिर स्कूल में. हैव यू सॉल्व्ड ऑल द असाइनमेंट्स व्हिच आई हैव गिवन? बेटा पहले तो मैंने तो आज ये इसको, चलिए आप हाँ उसमें से बताओ पहले जो असाइनमेंट्स मैंने दी थी उसमें से बताओ कि आपको किसी असाइनमेंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम, पहले तो हम उसको सॉर्ट आउट करें ना. तो इंडिविजुअल प्रॉब्लम्स तो मैं कभी भी फिर.
Question number 9.
विच असाइनमेंट?
Sir, the yesterday's one.
नहीं कौन सी बेटा, चैप्टर बोलिए. ट्रायंगल, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, सॉरी कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, ट्रायंगल्स. ट्रायंगल्स की क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 तो अभी सॉल्व किया बेटा आपसे, आपने लेट क्वेश्चन क्लास ज्वाइन की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is the perimeter of the two similar triangles is given to you. The perimeter of one triangle is 60 centimeter and the perimeter of another triangle is 48 centimeter. The side of this triangle MN is given to you 12. You have to find out the side of BC. Clear? So there is a result beta ki ratio of perimeter of two triangles, perimeter of triangle ABC upon perimeter of triangle LMN is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. Clear? So corresponding side means BC upon MN. So this is equal to 60 upon 48, which is equal to X upon 12. So X is equal to 15. D is the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
और बताइए फटाफट जो असाइनमेंट्स में किसी में पांच चैप्टर्स के असाइनमेंट हैं उनमें से किसी की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम बताइए.
So there is a pulley ship that is a village next. A pulley ship, 19th century. Why is it called a pulley ship? Why do you think it's called a pulley ship? The name of the ship is very beautiful, na? It's named John Allen. But why is it described as?
हाँ जी, नो किसी की और है कोई बताइए।
It is carrying Indians to Mauritius.
नो चले, अच्छा अर्पित अब बताओ जी अपनी असाइनमेंट। आप अब आप बताइए एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉब्लम्स किसी की भी।
Mauritius has got sugarcane plantations. Extensively cultivate sugarcane.
If the circumference and the radius of circle is 37 centimeter,
दोबारा बोलो। इफ द
then the circumference,
इफ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन,
the circumference
ओके ये मेरा
and the
पहला,
radius,
ओके नहीं सर्कमफ्रेंस और रेडियस के बीच का डिफरेंस तो हो नहीं सकता ना, एरिया का हो सकता है। अच्छा सर्कमफ्रेंस एंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, सेम सर्कल, ओके 37, तो सर्कमफ्रेंस इज 2 pi r, जस्ट अ मिनट, एक मिनट, you have written also, just a minute, let me see. If the difference between the circumference and the radius of the circle is 37, 2 pi r minus r is equal to 37. Okay, then what do you want? Then the circumference of the circle.
Its name is John Allen, right? The ship's name is
सर्कमफ्रेंस तो बेटा आपको दे रखा है, डिफरेंस दे रखा है आपको 2 pi r का, ठीक है, तो यहाँ से बेटा r फाइंड आउट कर लो ना। व्हाट इज r? दिस इज 2 pi minus 1 is equal to 37. So my r is equal to 37 upon 2 pi minus 1. So therefore circumference, this is 2 pi r. So this is 2 pi, the radius is 37 upon 2 pi minus 1. So this is 2 is to 22 over 7. You can see what the pi is given to you. So this is 2 pi minus 1. That means 2 is to 22 over 7 minus 1. 44 over 7 minus 1. 44 minus 7 upon this, which is equal to 37 over 7. So this is 37 upon 7. So 7 upon 37. It goes.
That can't happen now because time is.
So that is 44 centimeters. I hope it is clear.
yes,
Anything else to anybody? Note it down.
Sir, the sum of two areas of two circles which touch each other externally is 153 pi.
Just a minute. Sum of area of two circles. ये दो circles मेरे हो गए. Pi
Sir, they touch
r1 square. एक मिनट. Pi r2 square. Sum of area of two circle is equal to
sir 153.
153 pi. Okay.
Sir, if the sum of the radii is 15,
Okay. Sum of the radii r1 plus r2 is 15. हाँ जी.
sir, then the ratio of the larger to the smaller radius.
Okay. Very good. चलिए. This is another question. So take pi outside. This is r1 square plus r2 square. This is equal to 153 pi. So pi goes. r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 153. r1 plus r2 is given to you 15. So from here I will try to find out the value of r1 minus r2. How? See, r1 plus r2 square minus r1 minus r2 square, sorry, plus r, this is equal to twice of r1 square plus r2 square. So r1 plus r2 square, this is 15 square. r1 minus r2 square, which is equal to 2 is to 153. So this is 225 plus r1 minus r2 whole square, This is equal to 6, 10, 3, 306.
Thank you so much.
R1 minus R2 whole square. This is equal to 306 minus 225, which is equal to
Please send it.
minus
Right,
225,
send me the notes.
81. From here, R1 minus R2, I'm going to take it as a 9 positive. Clear? Now the value of R1 plus R2 is given. R1 minus R2 is given. Solve these two equations, get the value of R1 and R2 and get the ratio. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear. R1 plus R2 is given 15. R1 minus R2 we have calculated 9. When I will solve it, this is 2 R1 is equal to 24. R1 is equal to 12. If R1 is equal to 12, R2 is equal to 3. So the ratio between R1 upon R2, this is equal to 12 upon 3, that is 4:1. Anything else to any student? हाँ जी अर्पित, आप अर्पित बच्चन, आपका कोई ये असाइनमेंट्स बेटा जरूर कर लेंगे, इसमें से आपको पक्का पेपर में कुछ ना कुछ मिलने हैं क्वेश्चंस, because I
Yes,
have
sir.
covered all the types. तो कल एक बार फिर डाउट लेंगे, अभी हमारे पास 4 मिनट और पड़े हैं, कोई डाउट ले देगा, पर कल फिर मैं इन असाइनमेंट से आपको डाउट लूंगा एंड आई विल पोस्ट वन मोर असाइनमेंट ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री प्रोबेबली टुडे। हाँ जी
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी बताइए बताइए, और ये नोट कर लीजिए, ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स आपने डिस्कस की प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। एंड एनी अदर प्रॉब्लम टू एनी स्टूडेंट? हाँ जी अर्पित, योर प्रॉब्लम कुछ आप बता रहे थे,
Sir,
बोलिए।
it's
Sir, I have
नहीं अर्पित की,
whole
अर्पित की, हाँ जी हाँ।
sir whole root 1 minus cos theta.
Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Let me clear it because I don't have space on screen. Mrs. Punar, नहीं पुनर मैं क्लास मिस पुनर ले फीस। हाँ बेटा बताइए।
Sir, whole root 1 minus cos theta.
हाँ 1 minus cos theta whole root
Upon 1 plus cos theta.
upon 1 plus cos theta whole root.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to solve it.
Okay. अब देखिए इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए we have to take the help of few formulas, but अर्पित these formulas are not the part of your course, but फिर भी मैं इसको कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। there is a formula 1 minus cos theta is this is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Fine. And 1 plus cos theta, the formula of this you will learn it in 11th. 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. So if I will substitute here 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 2 cos square theta by 2, and there is a under root over whole. So 2 goes with this. Now see, sin square theta का under root हमारे पास क्या बना, sin theta by 2. Cos theta का under root क्या बना, cos theta by 2, and which is equal to tan theta by 2, because sin over cos is always equal to tan. So this is the solution. I hope it is clear, but I don't think so it will be asked in the paper because these formulas are not the part of your course.
Okay, sir.
But still I have solved it. Fine. Will be
Sir,
after
can we
clarification.
also solve it by conjugates?
You can go with that also by doing the rationalization of the things. वो भी एक बार मैं करने की कोशिश कर देता हूँ, आपके साथ वो भी डिस्कस कर देता हूँ, और उसमें ना काफी लंबा हो जाएगा उससे। सो इतने थोड़े से जो क्या कहते हैं लंबे वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये यूजुअली कम आते हैं एमसीक्यूज की फॉर्म में। एमसीक्यूज की फॉर्म में जहाँ पे डायरेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई हो, एक कॉन्सेप्ट या दो कॉन्सेप्ट, वो क्वेश्चन ज्यादा पूछे जाते हैं। एक तो ये तरीका है इसको सॉल्व करने का। सेकेंड मेथड इज एक मिनट रह गया हमारे पास 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. आजा नैनी 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. I have done the rationalization by changing the sign. Clear? So तो उसमें आप सीधा देखिए 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta, a minus b, a plus b. So this is equal to 1 minus cos theta because ये square के साथ root कट गया upon 1 minus this is sin square theta. तो sin square theta का under root which is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon sin square theta under root, this is sin theta. Fine. So one is